In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your Smartsheet data. Access Control 2026. To start, open your browser and go to smartsheet.com. Sign into your account using your usual method. This might be your email and password, your company's single sign-on, and you may be prompted for multi-factor authentication. Once you're in, you'll land on the home screen. The home area is your hub for recent items, favorites, and, importantly, your workspaces. Here you can view suggested content or browse all workspaces. Choose a workspace that contains the sheet you want to protect, then open that sheet. Focusing protection where your most sensitive data lives is a great habit, so pick the assets that matter most first. Inside the sheet, start with sheet level protection. If there's data that must not be changed, right-click a column header or a specific row and choose Lock. A lock icon will indicate protected items. Only the sheet owner and admins can unlock or change locked content, so this is a reliable way to prevent accidental edits. A practical tip is to lock columns that contain formulas. This avoids broken calculations and preserves your logic across collaborators. If you need to update a formula later, unlock temporarily, make the change, then relock so protection stays consistent. For broader organization-wide safeguards, use the Admin Center. Navigate through the menu to Settings, then Security Controls. From here, enforce authentication standards like single sign-on and multi-factor authentication to ensure only verified users get access, including external collaborators. You can also set data egress policies to limit exporting, printing, and sending sheets as attachments, which significantly reduces the risk of data leaving your environment unintentionally. Implement data retention rules to flag or automatically remove stale assets, keeping your workspace clean and compliant. Make it a routine to review activity logs so you can see who accessed the sheet, what changed, and when. This supports both security and accountability. If your organization requires maximum control over encryption, enable customer-managed encryption keys, letting you manage keys in your own cloud environment for an extra layer of assurance. Finally, assign appropriate roles to each user. Ensure people only have the level of access they truly need, whether that's view-only access, the ability to comment, edit rights for contributors, or admin-level control for managers. You can adjust these permissions at the sheet or workspace level and revisit them periodically as projects evolve. Follow these practices consistently, and you'll create a secure, manageable foundation for your Smartsheet data while keeping collaboration smooth and efficient.